Does that video say baked potatoes? Mitchell, I already know how to bake potatoes. I'm not so sure about that. Does it involve rolling them in tinfoil? Then you don't know how to bake a potato. But you're going to learn. Let's feed your family. To properly bake a potato, you need 3 ingredients: potatoes, oil, and salt. And if you're not eating the skin off of potatoes because you think it's gross, then go sit at the kids' table. But the grown-ups are going to wash their potatoes. Then we are going to dry said potatoes. Potatoes. The skin is one of the best parts. And I know you've been told that it's got a whole bunch of nutrients, and it does, but it's also just delicious. So that's what we're doing. Now, using our hand, we are going to douse these in a little bit of oil and then just roll it around so that we get oil all over it. Now, why are we putting oil on it? Well, fat is flavor.
Fat is flavor.
And so we want flavor on there, but fat also transmits heat. And we want to cook these, and we want them to cook evenly. So we are going to roll them in oil so that they can cook evenly. It will also help for the skin to crisp up and to give it a great texture. Now we wash our hand. Now we're going to take a little bit of salt on each one, and then we'll roll it over and get salt on the other side. Now, why are we putting salt on it? The flavor of the skin is fairly subtle or mild, and we want to enhance that. Remember, what salt does is it enhances flavor. So if you have anything that has a mild flavor to it, you add a little salt to it, it will bring out that flavor. Too much is a bad thing, but the right amount is just perfect. And now we bake these just like that. What, you mean we don't wrap them in tin foil? No, we're not Western sizzling, and it's not 1985. So we cover them in oil, cover them in salt, and we bake them in a preheated 400-degree oven for an hour. That's it. That's all there is to it. But I know you want to see the finished product, so we'll be back. All right, 1 hour and about 10 minutes later, it came out of the oven, and we let it rest for about 5 minutes, and now I have this perfect restaurant-style baked potato that you can put butter, sour cream, cheese, whatever you want to on it. But I promise you, just some butter, and it will be delicious. Probably the best baked potato you've ever made. And that's it. Now you know how to bake a perfect potato so you can feed your family.